Well, the rain is coming, so I'm headed out to do some last bit of yard work before it sets in for the next 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Yeah, been thinking about different places to put that garden put another section of garden. We're thinking on the side of the house over here is a good spot, kind of close up towards the garage. There's a fair bit of sun that gets there, so see how that goes. Time for a haircut. High and tight complete. So I just did a little calculating for the bike ride yesterday, and it turns out it was just short of 18 miles, so that's pretty good. Here's a little map where we are. Right here is the racetrack, so we came all the way down Columbia Boulevard. That's about where that huge green building was, and there's Kelly Point Park. There's the Columbia and there's the Willamette, so we came right out to that tip there. Let's see. And there is parking lot. All the cars. So I just got a call from Firestone, Bridgestone, place I went to go get the tires done, and they were just checking up to make sure things were okay. That's some serious customer service. And they also have a 30-day return policy, basically, so if I don't like them in the rain, or since I haven't driven them in the rain yet, or if I just don't like the tire at all, they'll take them back and we can do something different. Let me see your hand. This way. That's a good sign.
A little shaky.
That means you got a good pump.
Feel a little sick. And I even had a snack, so I pumped it up.
I didn't eat very much. And mental note, for me, no shoulders and chest on the same day. I gotta change that. Because after I work my shoulders, you try to do any sort of pushing motion, it's just, you're wasting your time. What you got cooking tonight?
Breakfast for dinner. Potatoes, eggs, juice.
Toast?
If you want. And you already had a piece of pizza.
Dinner and beer. What do you think?
It's great.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Me too.
Where are you excited the most?
Right there.
Yeah. Pretty good one. Pretty good.